The position of the small apron can be changed to suit the layout of your space. Some bathtubs are equipped with adhesive aprons, which can be recognized by the absence of screw covers and screws at their base. You will need protective gloves to remove and refit the apron. Remove the side panel. Start by unsticking the adhesive strips at the bottom of the panels. Then pull the panels out while rotating them. The adhesive strips will make it easy to replace the panels. Do the same for the panel on the long side. If necessary, you can add adhesive strips to the pads. Check that the panel is level. If it is not, adjust the depth of the pads using the tightening nuts. Replace the panels using the adhesive strips. For information on installing or maintaining your bathtub, see our other tutorials.